Chief Ekemini, I swear on my father's grave, I did not touch your fishing nets. Liar! My father counted 20 nets before market day. Now only 12 remain. Who else would steal but a poor fisherman like you? Toko, we grew up together. You know my heart. I would never steal from your father. Papa! Papa! Come and see the thief who denies it to your very face.
Uche, the evidence is clear. My son found torn netting near your canoe.
Chief, someone is setting a trap for me. I do not know how that netting reached my canoe.
Enough lies! Seize him! He will pay for his crime before the whole village.
Chief, please, I have a mother who depends on me. I am innocent. Run all you want, Uche. My father's men will hunt you through every creek in this delta. God, please, do not let me die for a crime I did not commit.
Uche, my son, where are you going? Why are the chief's men chasing you with cutlasses?
Mama, they say I stole Chief Ekemini's nets. I did not do this thing, but they will not listen.
Start your day with peace and purpose. Carry God's promises of healing with you wherever life takes you, from quiet mornings to busy afternoons. His word stays close to your heart. Beautifully designed healing scripture, dividers to inspire healing, strength, and hope every single day. Because sometimes the reminder you need is already written. Start your day.
Then run, my son. Run into the mangroves. I will pray for you until you return.
Mama, if I do not return,
you will return, Uche. God, who kept your father alive on these waters, will keep you too. Now go!
There!
You will
I see him! He is heading into the mangrove swamp! After him! He cannot hide forever! These waters belong to Chief Ekemini. Every creek, every path, we know them all. There!
The tide is already rising. Swamps will swallow me.
Uche! There is no path forward! You are trapped!
Lord, I have nowhere left to run. The water is rising, and armed men are closing in behind me.
Uche! Surrender now, and maybe my father will show you mercy.
Lord, Tokumbo, I did not steal those nets. Someone wants to destroy me, and you are helping them. Save your words for my father's judgment. God of my father, if you are real, if you see me now, the creek is rising fast, or we too will be swept away. Wait, the water, it is pulling back. The tide, it is going out.
That is impossible. The tide does not turn this fast, not at this hour.
There, a path, a sandbar is rising from beneath the water. Lord, is this you? Uche, do not attempt it. That sandbar could vanish beneath you at any moment. There. I would rather trust the ground God is revealing than the mercy of men already judged me guilty. Hey, he is crossing! The boy is actually crossing the sandbar. Every step is trembling beneath me, but it is holding. It is holding my weight. The water is returning. Look, the creek is rising again behind him. Uche made it across, and now the water has closed the path completely. Thank you, on dry ground, and the river cannot reach me here.
Tokumbo, my son, come here. What is this account I hear of a sandbar rising from nowhere?
Papa, I saw it with my water pulled back like an invisible hand patted it for him.
Tokumbo, no ordinary tide behaves this way. Perhaps the boy's God intervened where we would not.
Papa, I must confess something. It was Idumesaro who tore the netting, not Uche. I saw him do it, and I stayed silent out of fear.
Why did you let an innocent man be hunted like a criminal, Tokumbo?
Because Idumesaro threatened to expose my own debts to the village if I spoke against him. I was a coward, Papa.
Fear made you complicit in a great injustice, my son. This must be corrected before the whole village.
Mama! Mama! I am alive! Uche, my son! I never stopped praying. From the moment you vanished into those mangroves.
Mama, God made a way for me where there was truly no way left. I saw it with my own eyes.
This is why we not run from him even when we are running from men, my son.
Mama,
Uche, come forward. I owe you a public apology before this entire village.
Chief Ekemini, I only asked so my name is no longer stained.
The truth is known. Idumesaro tore the nets, and my own son's silence nearly cost you your life.
Uche, forgive me. My fear almost led to your death. I am deeply sorry. Fear makes cowards of many, but truth always finds daylight in the end.
Let the whole village hear this. When men fail us with false judgment, God still makes a way of escape.
Even when the water was rising and the men were closing in, he was already preparing my path.
Come, my son. Let us give thanks together. The God who parted the water for you has never once let go. Come, my son.